Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to ask anybody who's in the path of this winter storm, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and what your accumulation totals are. Here in Hendersonville, we've got a couple of inches of snow, which is manageable, but the real problem here is freezing rain, sleet, and ice accumulation, making it extremely dangerous to drive. And so due to that, I was not able to film a lot walk this week. My rear wheel Challenger is about the worst possible thing you could drive in the ice and snow. So we're just kind of hunkering down, waiting it out. But again, I would like to use this video as kind of a comment forum where we can all give each other an idea of what the conditions are where we are. So maybe people who are traveling, heading to that area, maybe you can give them an idea of what they're going to be running into. So this is a good opportunity for us to come together as a community, help each other out, and make the best of it. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all of the first responders, police, firemen, EMTs, utility workers, linemen, our truck drivers. We wouldn't be able to do anything that we do if it wasn't for you. God bless you. We're all praying for you. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Let's see how this week plays out. Hope to see you next week.